40. So in the sense 0 would be attached with vertical. So in the sense it would not give anything straight away. So this is the W matrix which we have obtained, and now I'm giving omega 1, omega 2, omega 3. Now my omega matrix have come. So my zeta has I've written W into omega. So now you can actually like see that the remaining everything is same, right? So these all actually like can happen. Now it is based on the individual wheel configuration. Okay, so these all actually like can be done. So I'll actually like show you something on the kinematic control. So it takes time. Okay, so this is actually like simple kinematic control where eta decide and eta decide dot is given and eta tilde I calculate, and I'm using the same computing velocity control law. So here actually you can see lambda I've chosen 848, and it's a lambda as a diagonal matrix, and this is eta decide dot which is given, and inverse J which is nothing but J transpose here, and this is the W, and I'm trying to calculate omega based on inverse of W into zeta, and again I'm bringing back. So if your omega has some saturation, then you can apply here and then you can bring it. So now this is what the overall. So even I assume that there is a first order dynamics involved for the actuator. So then I've actually like added that delay. So now if you look at it here, so this is one such simulation. So you can see like the vehicle is actually like initially it is actually like non-zero initial error, but after a time you can see it is converged to the desired profile, right? So this is simple proportional control only. It is, we have not done anything. Further, we have maintained the orientation of the vehicle 0, right? So these all initially the vehicle orientation is in something 45-degree negative, but it is actually like maintained. These all are done. So this is all we can actually like explicitly see. So this is the state, you can see like, right, 0.1 radian is the initial point, but we assume that it's supposed to be 0 orientation. It is actually like converged in a finite time because it is a simple first order dynamics, right? So you will converge it. So that is what we are actually like discuss. And I want to talk about dynamics. So I think about the dynamics. So here you can see like this is the D matrix and this is the N vector. And we have actually like given some input force which is forward dynamics, and here actually like there are two cases because zeta dot you calculate, zeta you integrate, then you can say when you go to eta that would be having two cases because zeta and zeta dot would be having you can say initial condition, so that you need to take it care. Okay. So then you can actually like go further and then you can actually like do the forward dynamics or whatever. So with that we can actually like see explicitly. And even you want to actually like go very specific dynamic model with the Magnum wheel, dynamic model with Omni wheel or differential wheel, independent wheel, everything you can actually like play and you can actually like do it. So this is the overall idea. And when you are doing the dynamic analysis, you can vary your system parameter, you can change your mass parameter, all you can see like what happens actually. So that is what the overall idea, then you can actually like play a very explicit form. Okay, so with that I'm actually like freezing this session. Now controller you can actually study any standard textbook, nothing specific. Okay, so even you want to talk about robotic controller, then you take R. Kelly, Raphael Kelly. He has written one specific book on control of robotic manipulator in joint space. Then you want to go a little more, then you can take a motion control system by Onisi. Okay, there is another book. So these two books are specifically for robotic control, which can be done. If you want to talk about only specific PI, PID, you can take any standard textbook, probably Nagrath Gopal or Modern Control System by Gopal, or you can take Wakata by Modern Control System. Like that, you can take any book. No specific, you can say, comment on that. Okay. So with that, I'm actually like closing my side. So it is actually like open for you to get it.
Okay, thank you, sir. It was very effective and very useful and very informative also. I thank you for accepting our invitation. And participants, you are free to ask if you have any query. Please.
So my research or anything you want to know, you can go to my webpage and then you can actually like find it easily, because I do work on, you can say, service robot. Even some cases it is specific to, you can say, agriculture field or war field robots. The other side I used to work on underwater, very specific application on rehabilitation side or assistive robot side. Like this I work. In fact, my lab group name is Safe Robots Group. Right? Safe Robots Group, where service assistive you call field and entertainment robots. So you can actually like explore more about that. And you want to reach me, so you can reach me through email, because phone always actually like not readily available. And most problematic thing is actually like in recent past I was actually like taken second role on deanship. So earlier I was Dean International Relation, but now since October I was taken as a Dean R&D. So I have two Dean roles. Sometime actually like suddenly I would be getting a meeting from director or some other board and all. So most probably if you reach my landline or mobile phone, most of the time I would not be answering. Straight away I'm saying, if you want to know anything specific or doubt, or probably you want to know more about anything, you can write an email. Probably in a day or probably in 2 days you will get a response. But if you reach over a phone, I really actually like not able to reach you. Okay, so that's what I can give. So this is because of additional responsibility as deans. Okay, that's what the overall picture.
Okay, sir. Now I request Pooja Sinha for giving the concluding remarks.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Dr. S.K. Mohan, sir, for delivering us the most informative and motivative lecture on the wheel robot manipulators. Thank you, sir. And
Yeah,
here we
thank
are concluding our session.
Yeah, but if you are really interested, you can go through the YouTube and Swayam course. The YouTube series will come in July Swayam course, but if you want, you can actually look at it. Why I was keep on insisting this point, because I usually interview many students from most of your colleges like GC, Thrissur or CET, Trivandrum, or you can say GSC, Palakkad, or probably NSS or TKM, so many colleges. But there you can see the knowledge on kinematics and dynamics is very weak. I hope why it is actually like, because we always assume that the mathematics is away from us. And we always actually like take mathematics as another cup of cake, and engineering subject is another cup of cake. But these supposed to be fused. But because of that, what happened? The students could not actually like cope up, because when you do research, you need to actually like play more on the, you can say, system dynamics or probably other side. So in that sense, the mathematics is actually like weak, which was actually like end up with not getting their earning position. For example, I have seen last time at least the CET or probably GSC Thrissur, the CGPA probably 9, and they have done a good gate score and all. But when we ask very basic, you can say, kinematic question or mathematic question, they are unable to answer explicitly. Very simple question. What is, you can say, eigenvalue? What is rank of matrix? What is actually like a mechanism? What is structure? Why it is actually like supposed to be required? These kind of questions, they are actually like struggling. So that's why I was actually like feeling it, something is missing. I'm not complaining the system. I'm not complaining the faculty, because we always actually like assume that mathematics is actually like come from different stream. The mathematician used to teach in different perspective. They teach mathematic aspect. They never bother about the application aspect, but the application knowledge is missing. So because of that, they are actually like missing their real, you can say, deserving opportunity. I hope you did not take it negative side. So I hope you would have taken my comment as a positive spirit, and then make sure that your students are getting the enough opportunity as per their own. Okay. With that, I'm closing my side. Thank you.